So today we are going to start with a new topic. Okay, a new topic, that is multiplication of decimal numbers. Now, all these numbers are, or these sums are, as we have done before in the beginning of the year when we did addition, subtraction, multiplication, in the same way. But now there is a decimal point. Okay, there is no such difference. There are a few steps that is different, but everything is the same. When there are decimal numbers, you have to count the number of decimals. Okay, so let me show you. Ready? You count from this side. 1, 2 point. So after this decimal point, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. Yes or no? There are 2 numbers. So what you do? Write 2. Now forget about that decimal point. Now we come to the decimal point only after we get the answer. Are we ready? Okay. So it is the same thing, nothing different. The only difference is this decimal point. So 5 5s are 20. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. Don't worry about the decimal point. 5 4s are 20. Now, we have marked 2 here. So now, after you get your answer, you put that decimal point. After how many places? 2 places. 1, 2 point. And that's simple, just like before, as we have done it. So in the last class, I'll be sending you some videos. So I hope you have done it. So let's look at another sum. First, count the number of decimal points. 1, 2, 3 points. So our point comes after how many numbers? 3 numbers. Just put a circle there just to mark it so that you can put it later on after you get your answer. So let's do that again. 6 4s are 24. 6 6s are 36 plus 2, 38. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 6 3s are 18. Don't put that decimal point here just because it comes straight down. Okay? There is a rule for it. After you finish the sum, then you see how many here? 3. 1, 2, 3 points. Okay? Do you understand? Next one. So, on top, we have how many numbers of decimal point? 1. Now here also, this number is multiplied by 2.3. Down also we have a decimal point. So 1 decimal point. Now forget about that and do as we have been doing before. 3 multiplies all this number, then you put a cross and multiply with 2. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18 plus 1, 19. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25. You can put a cross or a 0. So multiply with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. And what should we do? We must add. 9, 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 8, 17, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Now after you finish multiplying with both the digits, 2 and 3, then you go back to these where you have circles around. How many points in decimal? 1. How many points in decimal? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, 2 point. Very easy, no? Now let's look at this one. There are 3 digits there. So first with 4. 4 5s are 20 to 0. 4 0 is 0 plus 2, 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. Now we have finished 4. Let's do with another digit. 1. 1 5s are 5. But before that, we forgot to do something. What is it? To write the decimal point. 1, 2. Over here, 1, 2. let's get back to the sum now. 1 5 is 5, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 6 is 6. Now when we multiply the third number, we must put how many crosses? 2, or how many zeros? 2. So 0 5 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 6 is 0, and we must add 0, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 0 plus 0 4, 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 2 8, and let's not put this 0, okay? Or we can put this 0, it doesn't matter because it's there, so we put it. So how many places of decimal? On top 2, bottom 2. 2 plus 2 4. 1 2 3 4 1. So we get, when we multiply these two numbers, we get 8.5470. Next, how many places of decimal? 1 2 3. So let's write 3 here. That is the first step. How many places of decimal? 1. Now forget about it. Forget about putting the decimal point. Decimal point, put it only when you get your answers. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 15 plus 2, 16 17. 5 7 is 35 plus 1, 36. 5 6 is 30 plus 3, 33. Second number, put a cross. 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. 7 3 is 21 plus 3, 24. 7 7 is 49 plus 2, 51. 7 6 is 42 plus 5, 47. Then we add 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, bring down 2, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, bring down 0, 4 plus 1, 5. Now once you have written the answer, go back to that points. 3 plus 1, 4. So put decimal point after 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So when you multiply these two answers, you get 50.5123. Now let's do some more, okay? To have a better understanding of the sum. So when we do multiplication, it is the same as we have done before in the beginning of the year, when we multiply without having a decimal number. So it is the same thing, same multiplication rules apply, but one more step is you have to count the decimal points or numbers that are behind the decimal points. So let's do 28.143 multiplied by 2.5. So in this, you just have to first step, count the decimal points. Let me write another sum, because the more we do it, the more we are going to understand. 0.1465 multiplied by 0.14, and the last one, this is number 7, I put in number 3, so it's 7, and the last one, number 8. 75.1 multiplied by 2.9. So in multiplication, the same rule applies, but only there's one more step, that is because of the decimal point. So our first step will be to count the numbers that come behind the decimal point. So behind 1, 2, 3, write 3. There's yours. How many numbers after decimal point? 1. So now we'll forget about the decimal point. Okay? Let's multiply as we have been multiplying before. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21, carry 2, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 eights are 40, carry 4, bring down 0, 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14. So when we multiply the second number, we put across, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, carry 1, 2 twos are 4, plus 1, 5. So we add. Do not put any decimal point in these working out. 5, 6 plus 1, 7, 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 0, 5 plus 1, 6, what's the carry number? 7. Now you have finished writing the answer, go here. 3 plus 1, 4. So now put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So when you multiply these two answers, we get 70.3575. Okay, dear children? So let's have a look at this now. 0.1465 multiplied by 0.14. So let's multiply with 4. 4 5 are 20. Okay, let's carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 26. 4 4s are 16 plus 2. 18. 4 1s are 4 plus 1. 5. 4 zeros are 0. What did we forget? To count the decimal numbers. Yes. Okay. After decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4. After decimal point, how many numbers? 2. So we leave that now. Let's go multiply with 1. 1 5 are 5. 1 6 are 6. 1 4 are 4. 1 1 are 1. 1 zeros are 0. Now we multiply with 0. Put 2 crosses. 0 5 are 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 zeros are 0 plus. Now we add. 0, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, bring down 1. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1, bring down 5. 5 plus 4, 9, plus the carry number 10, carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 1, 2, then 0, then 0. Now what is the last step? To put the decimal point. 4 plus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get the answer 0.020510. Wasn't that easy? It is very easy. So what is the first step here? What should we do? Count the decimal point. How many? 1 on top, 1 at the bottom. Now forget about it and multiply. 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63 plus 4, 67. Finish this. Cross. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 7s are 40, plus 1, 15. 9, 7, 7, 6 plus 5, 11, and 2. Now what is the last thing left? We have to put the decimal point. How many? 1 plus 1, 2. 1, 2. So it is very easy. The only difference with the sum that we have done in the beginning of the year and this is the decimal point. It is very easy. It is easy only when you know your, yes, multiplication tables. So dear children, from next week we are going to have our final exams. So be ready, practice, okay? Till then, stay safe and stay